Alam nyo ba, kung minsan, yung pinakamalaking pagsubok natin sa buhay, ayun pa yung magdadala sa atin sa pinakamalaking tagumpay. Kung pag-aaralan natin yung buhay ni Joseph sa Bible, we know that he was betrayed and treated unfairly by his own brothers. He was sold into slavery in Egypt, and in Egypt he was accused and he was imprisoned for the things he didn't even do. Yet for all those years, he remained true and faithful to God. And that is the very thing that brought him into his victory. Sa kabila ng pagsubok na natili siyang tapat sa Panginoon, sa kabila ng pagsubok na natili siyang tapat na naglilingkod sa Panginoon. And one day, from being slave and prisoners of that country, he became the most famous, the most powerful, most trusted person on that country. Why? Because he remained faithful to God. He trusted God for all those years of trials and sufferings. Dahil alam niya na may pangako ang Panginoon sa lahat na nagtitiwala sa Kanya. Psalms 108:13, with God we will gain victory and He will trample down our enemies.